So we're about to make a quick flatbread pizza for dinner. So right now I have the veggies. I have some mushrooms, some bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, onions, and I'm going to just saute these up in some vegetable oil just to make them nice and tender. Because I'm putting it on a flatbread that's already cooked, I have to do it like that. So I have a from scratch pizza recipe on my channel, which I'll leave the link in the description if you want to do it from scratch, but this is so much easier. So right now I'm just putting the vegetables into my cast iron skillet just to get them nice and tender, because of the fact that I'm putting them on an already baked flatbread that I bought from the store. It's store-bought. I have to do it like this. So I have my sauce that I made. I also made my sauce, so I just use some tomato paste and mix it with some ketchup, and I season it up with some oregano, basil, a little bit of sugar, and garlic powder, and a little seasoned salt. You could just put a little of each, and just mix it up, warm it up a little bit on the stove so that it gets nice and runny, a little smooth, and that's it. So I'm just sauteing this. Now I'm going to just season up the vegetables. So you can season this up however you desire. You don't even have to. I just like to season my stuff in layers because I like, to taste that seasoning in my food. So I'm just putting some pepper flakes, some oregano, basil, and some garlic powder. And I'm going to just mix this up, and also some seasoned salt. And I'm going to just mix it up so that the veggies have a little flavor. As I said, this is optional. Some people don't really do that, but it's up to you. And also some black pepper. Like this whole entire meal took approximately 20 minutes, because between sauteing the vegetables and just putting the flatbread in the oven just for the cheese to get melted. I mean, the pizza is pretty much done. You just put it in the oven so just to melt the cheese. So once this is done sauteing, I'm going to set it aside, and I'm going to just start building the pizza. I like a little bite in my vegetables, so I don't cook it down too much. So this, again, is your preference. If you like your vegetables cooked all the way, you can do it that way. But it's all up to you. So this is the flatbread that I bought. I got this at Aldi. And it's an artisan flatbread. You could use any type of flatbread that you desire. This is like a square shaped flatbread, and a rectangular shape, sorry. So I'm just putting the sauce on there. Like my daughter, she made pepperoni and pineapple, so she's making hers right now. So that's her putting her sauce on, the pizza sauce on, and I'm going to do mine after. As I said, this is pretty easy. It's like the quickest pizza that you could ever make for dinner. And instead of going and buying pizza, you could just do this as a fun activity with your kids. So I would say this is a really cool thing. And kids like this because of the fact that, okay, I'm making my own pizza. So we use mozzarella cheese and also a white cheddar cheese. We use more mozzarella than the white cheddar. I just like white cheddar cheese. Like, I like cheddar cheese on the whole, so I put cheddar cheese. But you can use any type of cheese that you desire. You could just use mozzarella. You could just use cheddar. It's up to you. Sometimes I use yellow cheddar too. But my pizza is just going to be a veggie pizza. So on my pizza, I'm going to cut up some pineapples. I have some mushrooms, as I said, the peppers and the onions that are sauteed. And that's pretty much it for mine. As I said, she's doing pepperoni and pineapple. So yeah, we really enjoy doing this. It's just a fun thing to do together. And it's not a lot of work, because when you make the pizza from scratch, from scratch recipe, I made the dough from scratch. But if you do it like this, it's just so much time consuming. So you just put on your toppings, and the pizza will be ready for the oven. I preheated my oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So once this go in the oven, this is going to go in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. once the cheese is melted, so everybody's oven is different, so you can just keep an eye on it. And once the cheese is melted, I mean, your pizza is pretty much done, because as I said, everything is cooked on the pizza. When I make my pizza from scratch, when I make the dough, I usually just use raw vegetables because it will be in there for a little longer. You see, Naya is putting on her pepperoni, and I am putting on my pineapples, and then I'm going to put on the veggies. I mean, this is so easy, guys. It's like the easiest thing ever. And when we're done, what we usually do, we just put a little seasoning on the top of our pizza. So I put some oregano and a little basil and some pepper flakes. I like oregano on my pizza. Once I make pizza, I always put oregano on there because it's like, I like the smell that it gives and the taste. So I always put oregano before I bake it. The pepper flakes is a preference also because I like spicy, and I also have jalapenos on there, so that will give it like an extra spice. So these are our finished gourmet pizzas. Look at those pizzas. I mean, they were done so quickly. You can get this done, as I said, in 20 minutes. You come home, you buy your flatbread, you put your sauce. You don't even have to make the sauce. You can buy the sauce in the store if it's easier for you. So I really hope that you try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Liking the video is so important, guys. So please like the video. And I hope that you try this recipe. It is a really easy recipe, and it's something that kids will like. They will enjoy this. Just making their own pizza. You don't have to worry about going out and buying pizza. I mean, this tasted better than Lido's, Domino's, Papa John's. I mean, none of those pizza, even the local pizza places, New York style pizza places that we have here out the road, I mean, they can't touch my pizza. So I really hope that you try this recipe, and let me know how it came out in the comments. Let me know if you tried it and how it came out for you. So always remember, guys, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.